Today I'm sharing my favorite Italian recipe, the chicken fettuccine Alfredo, which is actually a very easy idea for a meal, and it will only take 30 minutes of your time. The sauce is very creamy and delicious, especially when topped with a pinch of the aromatic, flavorful oregano. The recipe is so simple, yet you can taste a lot of flavors. Please make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. For the chicken marination, in a bowl add a pinch of salt and pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of allspice, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of chicken spices and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix all the spices together and then add 2 slices of boneless chicken breast fillet. Make sure the chicken slices are all covered with the seasonings, then cover it with a plastic wrap and leave it aside for 20 minutes. In a large pot of hot water, add 1 tablespoon of salt and boil the pasta for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until they are slightly firm to the bite. While the pasta is cooking, I prepared the rest of the ingredients, so the pasta and the sauce are done around the same time. In a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and once it's hot, add the chicken and cook it for about 3 minutes per side, or until the chicken are cooked through and nicely browned. When it's done, remove the chicken aside and to the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add 3 minced garlic cloves, and please trust me, do not skip the garlic. Cook it until the garlic becomes soft. Then add 1 chicken cube and 1 cup of thickly sliced mushrooms, which will give the sauce a fantastic flavor. Keep stirring until the mushrooms are browned, then add 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir it until it's fully combined. Then add 1 cup of cooking cream and keep stirring until the sauce becomes nice and thick. Add 1 cup of the salted pasta water and now season to your taste. I added a pinch of salt, pepper and nutmeg. Finally, add the half-cooked pasta to the sauce. Cover it and let it continue to cook and absorb the creamy sauce. Now you can serve your plate and enjoy the taste of the very best, fancy, delicious homemade fettuccine Alfredo. Enjoy and thank you for watching.